Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to switch a cell or multiple cells to plain text in Google Sheets. So this is super helpful when Google Sheets keeps auto formatting things like dates, numbers or phone numbers. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'm going to show an example. Like I'm going to put in here a 02. So if I enter this one, is the 0 is not appearing. So I'm going to select this. Okay, no, where's the number here? Okay, so I'm going to select this cell. So the okay, I'm going to select this cell to convert it to a plain text. So if you want to change a multiple cells, click and drag to highlight the entire range. So this tells Google Sheets exactly which cells you're reformatting. So for me, I'm going to select this cell. So now, a next thing you need to do is you need to go to the top menu and click Format. And this opens a drop down there, a drop down menu with several formatting options, including numbers, number formats, and text formats. So in the format drop down, so hover over number. So there you go, number, and go to plain text. Okay, so after that, guys, in the okay, we already select the plain text, so your selected cells are now set to plain text. So as you can see, it changes here. So which means Google Sheets will stop trying to convert or interpret the content. So let's change this. Okay, in 02 again. So now the 0 is not disappearing. So if you want to avoid auto formatting before typing anything, like if you're entering product IDs, zip codes, or numbers with leading zeros, switch the cell to plain text before you type. So it is an option, guys. So once it is set to plain text, so Google Sheets won't turn 01 to 1 or convert something like 2 over 3 into a date. So everything um you enter will stay exactly as you type it. So in Google Sheets is if Google Sheets is still formatting your entry, try replacing a single apostrophe at the beginning of the value. So let's say for example here I'm gonna put 03. So it's still the 0 is still disappearing, guys. So this forces Google Sheets to you know, so to avoid that one, guys, so let's use a apostrophe before the value, like say 03 before that, so there's an apostrophe there. So apostrophe 03. So if you enter that one, so the 0 is not disappearing, and also the apostrophe is not appearing on the screen. So this forces Google Sheets to treat the content as a text. So and the apostrophe, as you can see, it is not appearing in the final cell value. So click the cell and look at the toolbar. If it says plain text, so you're good to go. Okay, so now your data will stay exactly the way you wanted. So that's it, guys. So you now know how to switch cells to plain text in Google Sheets and stop unwanted auto formatting. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets tutorials.